I own the stage!
You can't run from my arrow.
My music is my Assasin.
Out of sheath. Another word for compromise is failure.
like to have a drink with me?
Can't run. Let's out of sheath, off the leash. You can't run from my arrow.
I must not go too far away from the others.
Pride usually comes before the fall.
Did I hurt you? I must not go too far away from the others. I hope they won't be too surprised when seeing me like this. I hope they won't be too surprised when seeing me like this. Do you know what holiness is, Tetra? Wise choice.
All lives are ready.
I hope they won't be too surprised when seeing me like this.
In bloodbaths we prosper.
The more your fear grows, the smaller you become. Let's see who has the last laugh.
In death, I
The more your fear grows, the smaller you become.
Who else other than me? Blood is the price they pay.
Out of sheep, off the leash.
all lives.
Let's see who has.
In death, I shall be reborn.
The more your fear grows, the smaller you become.
Where do you think?
Pride usually comes before the fall.
Blood is the price they pay.
I can handle that.
Did I keep the oath, or did I break it?
This is not an appropriate place to stay any longer. In death, I shall be reborn.
Cellric students know the rules. I'm not here just to win training tests.
Which part would mine fall?
You can't run from my arrow.
Must fight to keep our hope alive.
I love the feeling when swinging in the air.
This is not an appropriate place to stay. This is not an appropriate place to stay any longer. This is not an appropriate. This is not. This is not. This is not an appropriate place to stay any longer.
Let me show you the art of killing.
Where do you think you're going?
Never give up.
with your blood.